Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your headlight bulb on this 2009 Toyota Sienna. But if you have a 2004 to 2010, procedure is similar. This is not HID, so if you do have HID lights, that's a different story. This is regular bulbs, okay? So right in the back, once you have the hood open, you're gonna see your regular headlight. The low beam is this brown looking bulb right here. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. If your harness doesn't have any space, just be careful, okay? So once you have this out, all you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this tab. You can even do it before you take out the bulb. Move the connector first. That way you only pull out the bulb. So all I did was turn it counterclockwise and bulbs come out. So the bulb size here is, there's a number here if you wanna locate the bulb size on yours. This one is 9006 right there. On the top, it'll tell you 9006, hard for the camera to focus. Sylvania, that's the bulb size, brand. So you take this bulb, new bulb, you take it back to the same spot. You find that original spot where you took it off from. So now we need to go clockwise, okay? Once you got the earlobes in there, you just turn it clockwise. It'll click just like that. Make sure you put your connector back in, okay? Very simple. It's the same procedure for this guy. So all you do is here, let me demonstrate this one. You turn it counterclockwise and the bulb will come out. I am not gonna remove this one, but I'll give you a size on this one. 9005, that's the bulb size, single flare, okay? Same thing, you can remove the connector, but then to put it back, you're gonna find the same spot where you took it off for the earlobes to drop in. And I gotta go a little bit further. If you take off the harness first, that will make it a little bit easier. Okay, the camera can't see, there's no light. Okay, there you go. And you turn it clockwise. All right, now on to your turn signal. Okay, your turn signal is right here. Same thing, you're gonna turn it. It's gonna be a little bit tough because there's no room for you to put your thumb right there. There you go. All right, the bulb comes out, you pull it. This is a dual flare bulb, okay? The size here is 3457. You pull out the bulb, put a new bulb in, and you take this little guy and you stick it back in and you turn it clockwise. All right, there you go, very simple. You do have one little marker light right here. To get to that one, it's a little bit tough, but it's right here, it's located right there. So all you do is same thing. This is a miniature bulb. We're gonna turn it counterclockwise, and same thing, like all the other ones. We just turn it counterclockwise and it comes right out. And 194, that's the bulb size. This is orange. So all you do is you pull this out, it comes right out. You just put another bulb in, doesn't matter which way, this way, that way. As long as you get it into the slot, okay? Just look at the slot, shirt up ahead at it. I'm working with the one hand. As you can see, I have a lot of dirt and debris on my hand. I am gonna take this bulb back out. I gotta clean it and put it back in. You never wanna touch a bulb with your hands and fingers. So clean gloves is no problem. All right, a little bit technical difficulties here. Take the new bulb, you stick it in. Okay, let me just wipe it down right now with my arm over here. So the bulb is clean. And after that, you're gonna take this little guy, you're gonna find the same spot where it belongs. And now you need to find the earlobes, the holes where it's gonna drop in. And then you just turn it clockwise. Bada bing, bada boom. Procedure is same for this driver's side. Okay, you have a bulb here, the turn signal, the high beam, and the low beam is a little bit difficult to get to, but you can remove this cover here, okay? Remove this cover by pushing on this tab, this fuse cover. In the back, it has a little earlobes. Now you'll have a little bit more room to work with, okay? And same thing, you turn it counterclockwise and then clockwise to put it back in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put this cover in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye-bye.